Welcome to the workshop. As you can see, we're in a finished workshop. The video that I'm going to be showing, this is going to be the last update on the building of the workshop itself, mostly because I didn't keep the footage from the previous ones, or I forgot to turn the mic off, or you know, whatever. I was just getting too excited about getting this finished, and I just wanted to get it done. So the next part is basically doing the insulation and the plasterboarding. I didn't manage to get any footage of the painting because I was using a sprayer. I didn't want to damage the cameras and that kind of thing, and then I kind of got excited about just setting it up and things like that. So let's have a look at the plasterboarding and the and the insulation. So that was obviously, you know, doing all the plasterboarding, the insulation and stuff. So I really thank you for watching and keeping watching. And if you could subscribe, that would be great. Catch up on some more videos. I've got some videos coming out soon of me making an anvil stand. There's going to be some videos of me using the lathe. So there's a lot of stuff to do. I mean, I'm going to be taking up a lot of blacksmithing soon as well, and bladesmithing is the plan. I want to make some knives and some swords and things. So subscribe, and catch you in the next video.